Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the GE washer not spinning in 2026. So if your GE washer is not spinning, your clothes may come out soaking wet and the cycle may stop before finishing properly. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to start by opening the washer and checking whether the clothes are bunched up on one side. GE washers may automatically stop spinning if the load is severely unbalanced to prevent the damage. So in this case, you just have to do nothing but to just redistribute the clothes evenly around the drum, remove any oversized items if necessary, and then you just have to simply restart the spin cycle. Now for top load models, a fully lid switch can prevent the washer from entering into the spin mode. For front load washers, the door lock mechanism must engage properly before spinning begins. If the washer doesn't detect a secure closure, it will cancel the spin cycle for safety reasons. Now, if water remains inside the drum, the washer may refuse to spin. So you just have to simply look for the drain hose and the pump filters for clogs and restrictions. Drainage problems often stop the washer before it reaches to the high speed spin mode. Now, sometimes a worn or broken drive belt, damaged motor coupling, or failing motor can also stop spinning completely. So, if you hear the motor running but the drum isn't moving, mechanical drive components may need inspection or replacement. So, if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.